This is a unboxing of the UGREEN charging unit. The thing that makes this rather fantastic is it's a 140 watt USB-C output. It supports power delivery 3.1, comes complete with a cable, and I haven't got any other PSU of this kind of power, so looking forward to having a look at this. So we're just going to pop the box open. That's very nice indeed. It's a very clean looking unit. It's quite heavy, it's quite brick-like, 140 watt it says on the side. Have a quick look under here. User instructions. Okay, that's basically showing us what it would do. That's all fine, and presumably in here is the fancy charging cable. There we go, UGREEN branded braided charging cable. That's very nice. As I say, rated at 140 watts. So yeah, looking forward to trying this out. And I've bought it primarily as a replacement to the charging unit I have on an old MacBook Pro. Certainly that doesn't support 140 watt charging, but hopefully this will work well anyway with that old MacBook Pro. The MacBook Pro charger's gone a bit weird. You sometimes have to unplug it from the mains and plug it back in a couple of times before the thing fires up. So whether the caps are going a bit bad in it or something, I don't know. Anyway, there we have it. The UGREEN Nexode is the model name, 140 watt charger, and it's got USB-A output and two USB-C outputs, one marked as C2, which is power delivery of 100 watts, and the other one is marked C1 as power delivery of 140 watts. Very nice indeed. Thanks very much.